Hello guys, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Home. In this video, we'll have a look at Kaadas door lock to see how it works. This model of door lock can be controlled by pin codes, cards, fingerprints, in addition to mechanical key. Also, this model has Bluetooth. By installing Kaadas application in your smart home, you can lock or unlock this model of door lock and see full log of its activity. Have in mind that pairing this model of door lock KXT with Kaadas application, you cannot add or remove, let's say delete pin codes, fingerprint or card. Also, this model has an optional option, Z-Wave. By connecting Z-Wave module to this door lock, you can control it in your Z-Wave network. In Z-Wave network, you can add or remove pin codes besides locking and unlocking the door lock. By the way, subscribing my channel motivates me to upload more videos about smart devices. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Stay with me. This is Kaadas door lock. As I said, you can unlock it using pin code.
Door closed.
Using cards.
Verification succeeded. Door closed.
Using fingerprint, as it has a self-learning
Verification succeeded.
fingerprint sensor.
Door closed.
This is Kaadas application. In green area, you can see the status of door lock. By clicking or selecting green area and holding it,
Verification succeeded.
door is unlocked. As soon as door is locked,
Door closed.
Kaadas application shows the status of door lock. In history section, you can see full log of its activity. By going to the devices, selecting KXT, you see that you cannot add pin codes, fingerprints or cards. I have added KXT Kaadas door lock to Vera control unit. This is Vera mobile. You can see that it is showing the status of door lock easily by clicking on lock.
Verification succeeded.
KXT is unlocked. Even if it's unlocked, you can lock it using Z-Wave. You have the battery status of door lock in Z-Wave. Even using Z-Wave network, you can add pin codes easily by setting a name and adding pin code. Pin code created. The lock itself said enrollment succeeded. So Peter pin code is easily added to door lock and you can easily delete it.
Deletion succeeded.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Bye bye.